Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my literally just woke up look. Anyways, one of my goals this year was to be more experimental with my look, with my makeup, and just to have more fun with it. So in this video, I decided to do the Instagram Baddie transformation. I guess other people call it the Asian baby girl or the ABG look. So for those who doesn't know yet, according to Dr. Google, ABG is a stereotype of an Asian female gangster who wears a lot of makeup, who has tattoos, who likes drinking boba, and who likes to go partying and clubbing, which is definitely way different from my personality, because for those who knows me very well, they know that I don't like drinking because mabilis akong malasing. So that's the inspiration for our look today. But I want to show you guys my Shopee haul for this video. Yeah, I did a lot of shopping. First one, I got this from Lazada. We got the long extension nails, the fake nails. So fake nails, check. Tattoos, check. Falsies. Yeah, we have the falsies. Check. And of course, our makeup. So check. So let's just take one last good look of our just woke up like this, very puffy bare face. So yes, this is the before look, and we're gonna transform it in a few.
Hi everyone! First of all, we would be using this Luxe Organics Miracle Repair Serum. It has Niacianamide 2%, which is very good in moisturizing our face.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어.
Next, we would be using this Frezyderm tinted sunscreen to protect our skin from the sun, as well as it would serve as our foundation.
초등학교 영어 수업 시간 레벨.
Next off, we will be using Pond's InstraBright Glow Up Cream as our primer.
내 맘이 움직여.
Look how glowy it is, guys!
상하고
For our eyeshadow, we would be using BLK Organics Multipot Nighttime. Thank you, BLK Organics, for sponsoring this video. To cover our dark eye circles, we would be using Maybelline Concealer Roll Up Edition. All the products here, guys, are in the description box down below. We're only going to use a little concealer because our imperfections are what makes us beautiful. Next up, we're gonna wear our Air Optix colors. Make sure, guys, you have clean hands before touching your contact lenses and your eyes. If you haven't watched my video regarding contact lenses and makeup yet, I will put the link above. We're going to use the BLK Organics Blue Tattoo for our eyebrows.
내 맘은 아직 ING.
Brush your brows away. Use BLK Organics Brow Wax for that bushy eyebrow finish.
후회할까봐 아파할까봐 망설이는 거.
I love how natural it looks on my brows.
사실은 나도 뭐.
Then we are going to use the long-lasting liquid eyeliner of BLK with brown shade. Do this to achieve that perfect green eyeliner look. Contour, we are going to use BLK Tan Line Multipot.
보면 헤어질 것 같아서
Contour the face para mukhang kayat.
내 맘은 아직
And cheeks, we're going to use BLK Organics Purple Martini Multipot. And we're going to use Careline Strobe Stick Highlighter. To complete the look, we're going to use Lip Doctor Rose Mocha from BLK Organics. I love how natural it looks on my skin. We're going to put on our falsies. I think we're done with our face. We're going to change our outfit. We're going to put the tattoo on our mind. Hindi halatang malaki ang braso, lagyan ng tattoo. Tattoos coming up. So nice. Right off is our artificial nails. We're going to curl our hair. See you in a few for the final look. So this is my alter ego. Ang hirap maging seryoso, pero mas okay sa akin ang maging jolly. So this is the look, guys. I love it. Pero hindi ko alam ano yung magiging reaction ng asawa ko pag nakita niya ako. And gusto ko rin makita niyo, guys, ano yung magiging reaction niya. So sasalubungin natin siya later pag uwi niya. Ayan!
Oh, yan yung tsura mo.
Ganda ba ka?
Parang preso.
Bakit preso?
Dahil tattoo.
Di ba maganda?
Hindi.
Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video till the end with me. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I did making it for you. Please watch my other videos as well, and see you in my next videos.